Foods killing modern man's testosterone. As men, testosterone is a vital hormone that plays a critical role in maintaining muscle mass, bone density, and overall well-being. Unfortunately, many modern diets are filled with foods that can disrupt our hormone balance and lead to decreased testosterone levels. In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into the foods that may be silently sabotaging your testosterone levels and impacting your overall health. Let's get into it. Number 8. Baked goods. Recent research suggests that consuming baked goods, such as bread and pastries, may lead to a decrease in testosterone levels among men. This issue can be compounded by a lack of leafy greens in the diet and overconsumption of fast food. In fact, men who consume more baked goods tend to have lower muscle mass and increased body fat. But why do baked goods have this effect on testosterone levels? Well, it all comes down to their high carbohydrate content. Carbs can cause a spike in insulin levels, which can disrupt the delicate balance of hormones in the body. This disruption can lead to a decrease in testosterone levels, which can have negative impacts on men's health. Number 7. Sugar. The impact of sugar on health is an important topic of discussion, and it turns out that it can have a not-so-sweet effect on testosterone levels in men. A study conducted in 2018 on males between the ages of 20 and 39 found that those who consumed high amounts of sugar-sweetened beverages were more likely to have low testosterone levels. But the study also noted that body mass index played a role in this correlation, as participants with a BMI of 25 or greater were more likely to experience lower testosterone levels. While indulging in sugary treats may be tempting, it's important to keep in mind the potential consequences on our overall health. Maintaining a healthy BMI through a balanced diet and exercise can help support healthy testosterone levels in men. Number 6. Licorice. Did you know that licorice root, commonly used as an herb to sweeten candy, beverages, and tobacco products, can have a significant impact on testosterone levels in men? While licorice root has various uses, including making tea, its effects on the body are not fully understood. Research suggests that as little as 7 grams of licorice root per week can reduce testosterone levels by over 25% in men. This decrease in testosterone can have significant implications for male health, including a decrease in muscle mass, bone density, and erectile function. In fact, animal studies have shown that licorice root can cause testosterone production to shut down completely, further emphasizing the importance of understanding the effects of this herb on the male body. Number 5. Alcohol. Alcohol consumption is often viewed as a social activity, but did you know that excessive alcohol use can have detrimental effects on your body? For men in particular, it can significantly lower their testosterone levels. Recent studies have found that men who consume 15 or more drinks per week are more likely to have abnormally low levels of testosterone. This hormone plays a critical role in developing and maintaining male characteristics such as muscle mass and bone density. The reason behind this phenomenon lies in alcohol's ability to inhibit specific enzymes involved in the formation of testosterone. When these enzymes are suppressed, the body is unable to produce enough of a hormone, leading to a decrease in testosterone levels. Number 4. Trans fat. Trans fats are a type of unhealthy fat that can be found in processed foods. These fats are often called partially hydrogenated oils and are so dangerous that the Food and Drug Administration banned them in 2018. Despite the ban, trans fats can still be found in some unhealthy foods, especially fried foods. While small amounts of trans fats can be naturally found in meat and dairy products, the trans fats in processed foods are of particular concern. These unhealthy fats have been linked to an increased risk of diabetes and heart disease. However, it's not just cardiovascular health that is at risk. Studies have also suggested that trans fats may decrease testosterone levels in men. Therefore, it's important for both men and women to limit their intake of trans fats. By doing so, they can not only protect their cardiovascular health, but also ensure that their hormone levels remain healthy. This can be achieved by avoiding processed foods that contain PHOs and opting for healthier cooking methods like grilling, baking, or roasting instead of frying. Number 3. Nuts. Nuts have long been touted as a healthy snack option due to their nutrient-dense nature. However, recent studies have revealed that certain types of nuts can adversely affect testosterone levels in men. This is because nuts contain a hormone-binding globulin that can bind with testosterone and other hormones in the body, rendering them unusable. Among all nuts, walnuts and almonds have the highest concentrations of SHEB, making them the most likely culprits in this regard. Men who consume large quantities of these nuts may be unknowingly increasing their SHEB levels and inadvertently decreasing their testosterone levels as a result. However, it's not just men who need to be careful with these types of nuts. Women too need to exercise caution, as a study has demonstrated that too much SHEB from nuts can lead to elevated testosterone levels that are associated with polycystic ovary syndrome. Number 2. Dairy. Did you know that consuming modern dairy products may have a negative impact on testosterone production in men? This is because many dairy products today contain synthetic and natural hormones that can inhibit testosterone production in the body. These hormones can remain in dairy products like milk and cheese and can have an adverse effect on testosterone levels in men. In addition, the animal feed used in dairy production may contain soy products that also inhibit testosterone production. Studies have shown that the consumption of these modern dairy products may lead to a reduction in testosterone levels, which can negatively affect men's health and well-being. Therefore, it may be wise to limit your intake of modern dairy products and consider alternative sources of protein, such as plant-based options like tofu, beans, and lentils. By making small changes to your diet, you can help ensure that your body is producing the hormones it needs to maintain optimal health and well-being. Number 1. Soy. Have you ever wondered why consuming soy-based foods can have a negative impact on testosterone production in men? Well, the answer lies in a protein found in soy called phytoestrogens. These are plant-based compounds that have a similar chemical structure to the female hormone estrogen, and they can mimic its effects in the body. As a result, consuming high amounts of soy products can lead to a decrease in testosterone levels in men. In fact, a study conducted on men who consumed 20 grams of soy protein isolate daily for 2 weeks showed a significant reduction in their testosterone levels compared to men who didn't consume soy products. So if you're a man who wants to maintain healthy levels of testosterone, it may be a good idea to limit your intake of soy-based foods. Instead, consider incorporating other sources of protein into your diet, such as lean meats, eggs, and nuts. By doing so, you can help ensure that your body produces the hormones it needs to maintain optimal health. That's all for today. Have you tried making dietary changes to support your testosterone levels? What tips do you have for others who are looking to improve their diet and optimize their health? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health-related content, stay tuned.